Hi guys, so we are back with another YouTube video, and yes, this video is just going to be a room tour, and hopefully you can find some inspiration from this video like I have from other room tours. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to start off with is the shelf, since it's the first thing you see when you come into my room. On the shelf, I have this mini fridge by Craig, and inside of it, I have some of my skincare products. Alongside that, I have this bamboo plant, and it's sitting in a vase that I got from Target for about $3. Beside that, I have this jewelry box and amethyst stone, and they both came from Marshall's. And these lights are from Target, and I got them for $10. On the second shelf, I have my record player. It is by Craig, and I got it for about $100. And beside it, I have records that I'm currently listening to. On the third shelf, I have my Buddha that was given to me, and it just holds a couple of lucky things in my life. Moving on to the best part of my room, the place I feel safest, my bed. I love my bed so much. It's David styled, and all of the pillows are from JCPenney, and the black pillow is from Burlington Coat Factory. Above my bed, I have these 3 pictures that I got from my local thrift shop, and in front of my bed, I have this blue throw rug that I got for $20 at Target. Moving on to the next part of my room, I have this shelf on my wall. I got this from my local thrift shop as well for about $16, and I was really going for the whole anthropology look with this. So on it, I just have a whole bunch of things that I really like oils, my Instax camera, some succulents, and some necklaces, and some stones. Beneath that, I have this chair that I got from Marshall's for about $100. On it, it has a fluffy white pillow that I got from Burlington Coat Factory for $10. Moving on to my favorite part of my room, my plants. I love my plants so much, and to help them maintain moisture, I use this humidifier by Pure, and this humidifier came from Marshall's for $30. On my windowsill, I have a bunch of these little plants that are growing, and on my window, I have writing with these dry erase markers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Across my ceiling, I have these Christmas lights that I got from Lowe's for $2. That basically wraps up my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. And thanks for watching.